Hey everyone, and thanks for logging on to WXYZ.com. I'm 7 First Alert meteorologist Mike Taylor, and we're going to be seeing the skies continue to stay clear into the overnight. But with the clear skies and the lighter winds, temps will be allowed to drop. Therefore, we're going to see those numbers going into the low 40s, even the upper 30s, so you're going to need a jacket first thing out the door for your Wednesday morning. We're expecting more sunshine to move in. That'll boost our numbers back into the 60s into your Wednesday afternoon. And then Thursday's not looking too bad, at least to start. But once we get towards Thursday afternoon and evening, that's when clouds increase yet again, and then it appears a chance of rain's going to move in, maybe even a rumble of thunder. Can't rule that out. It's not going to stay with us for the rest of the night, or all night, I should say, but it's going to be a decent day for Thursday as well before the rain arrives later in the evening. So for tonight, we're down to around 42, mostly clear, less wind. Into the day tomorrow, 65 will be your high temperature, mostly sunny, mild, and calm. The winds are going to be fairly light. That 7-day forecast shows the rain moving in late Thursday, taking us into your Friday with a high of 63. Behind that front, it's going to be cooler. But then the weekend's not looking so great. Highs are going to struggle just to hit 60 degrees both Saturday and Sunday. And we'll have a few chances of seeing some rain both Saturday and Sunday as well. So big time changes going into next week where it gets soggier and also stormier. And thanks for joining us here at WXYZ.com to get your forecast information. Next planned update will be by Kevin for your Wednesday morning.